Hi everybody. Today we're going to talk about the 1-6-2-5 again, but this time, instead of playing the 6th as a minor chord like this, we're going to play a dominant 7 chord there. In the original I Got Rhythm, you had that minor 2. And so as time went on, people copied that and changed it up and made their own contrafacts of it and figured out that using that dominant chord for the 6 would add cool sound. It would add tension. It would add some release when you go to the 2. So I'm gonna try to show you what makes this hip and what it sounds like and what the tension sounds like. So first I'm going to play a C major chord scale, and I'm going to play the A minor just like we're going to stay in the key of C major. And now when I get to this A, I'm going to play an A7, and you'll be able to hear the tension of the sound wanting us to go back to the D. You can hear the tension. It wants you to go. That's what it wants. That's what it wants you to do. So I'm trying to give you the reasons here that we're playing a dominant 7 chord instead of a minor 7 chord for the 6, creating tension, and it creates 2 little cycles with the dominant chords. So you've got the A7 resolving back to the 2, a D minor, and you've got the G7 resolving back to the 1. So we're creating the tension of a dominant chord in another place in the song other than just over the 5. Today we're going to do our examples in C major. So the chords will be C major, A7, D minor, G7. And because the A7 is a dominant chord and it's functioning, just for a second there, when you're playing an A7, you're playing the 5 chord of a D major scale. 5, 4, 3, 2, D major. So you're in C major here, you're in D major for a second, and then back to C major. 2, 5, and 1 of C major. So the cool thing that dominant chord is doing is breaking you out of the key for a second. So the common positions to play this, it's just the same as we learned last week. We're just changing the 6 to a dominant 7 instead of a minor chord. So the pattern starting on the big E string, the 1 is the C right here. The 6 is an A note. We're going to get it up here. The 2, 1, 2, D minor 7, starting on the big E. And the 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, G7 starting on the A string right there. So starting on the A string, C is the 1. We're going to get it right here starting on the A string. The 6th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is an A note. We're going to get it right here. The 2, 1, 2, D minor 7 starting on the A string, and the 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're going to get right here on the big E 3rd fret. Now because this A7 is a functioning dominant, we can play altered chords or substitutions for it. I'll use a sharp 5 for both of the dominant chords. For the 2, we'll use a minor 9 chord. We create this little voice leading. Like this. So any type of substitution you would use over any functioning dominant chord, you can use. I'll do a few examples, and I'll use the same substitution for both of the dominant 7 chords. So with a flat 9, sharp 9, tritone substitution, for the chord shapes that start where the root of the C is on the A string, here's the tritone substitution. creates a lot of cool movement. I don't want to go too deep in this video because in the next video we're going to talk about replacing the 1 with a 3 so that you can get 1-6-2-5, 3-6-2-5. And then we're going to talk about all the different substitutions you can do over that. And I did already do a 3-6-2-5-1 video. I'll put a card up here. So I really just want to get the sound in your mind of the 6 being a dominant chord. And the standard positions that are the most common on guitar is like that, or this one, or combining the two. The first way I really learned it was kind of descending down the neck. I like the sharp 5 there, but I think I'd rather hear a 13 over the G. Yeah. So like we did in the other 1-6-2-5 video, a good way to practice this is to just combine the two positions. So like start on the position with the C on the big E. And then work down. And then the position that starts on the A. Go ahead and subscribe now. In the next video, I'm going to talk about all the different ways that we can put substitutions into this, and we'll really start moving toward learning the A part of rhythm changes. And following that, I've got the walking bass video coming up. And I'm also planning a video that's just tritone substitution stuff, but in the context of 2-5-1s and 3-6-2-5-1s and 1-6-2-5. So it'll fit right in with this stuff. Hit the like button and subscribe if you don't already. And please share this if you know anybody that could benefit from this. I love talking about music and sharing music with people. So if you know anybody that would like this, then please let them know. Anyway, I really appreciate you learning guitar with me. I'm Birdsnake. Thanks for watching.